Hello guys, this is Arc Rescue and I am here today to show you how to make an elevation in Autocad. So first we need to enter command XL enter V enter. This will create vertical lines. So first we need to take projections of the things which we can see. Like here I am just framing out the outer boundary. Then secondly, we will need to enter command XL enter H enter. This will help us create horizontal lines. Then we need to take an offset of 15 feet. That will be the height of one floor. Then we will trim the extra lines. Press ER double enter. This will allow you to trim the lines. Secondly, we will create this door in elevation. So enter XL enter V enter. In this frame we have got the outer frame boundary, as we say. We will then take offset of 8 feet 5 inches. That is the height of door, 8 feet 5 inches. Press F enter. Trim the extra lines. Now we have got the opening. Now we will take this window. This is a double heighted window. So I will take offset of 3 feet from ground as well as from above. Trim these extra lines. Now join these lines. Select and enter J enter. Now we have created a polyline of this window opening. Same we will do with the door. J enter. O enter. We will create half-inch thick, 0.5-inch thick frame. Sorry, we will create 3-inch thick frame for both window as well as this. Trim extra lines. So here is the basic example how to draw an elevation of a plan.